So 30 problems are over. Next 30 problems, let us discuss. Perpendicular distance of P from the line. Okay, so this is line is given to you. Any point on line is 6, 7 and 7. Some point P is there, A. This point is there. So this is the point P given. P is given as 1, 2 and 3. Perpendicular distance from this line you have to do it. Clear? So this is P. So what we do is the perpendicular distance through point Q6, 6, 7, this is there given to you. Now, if we calculate P is 1, 2, 3 is given to you. Okay, we name it as a Q, that is more convenient, PQ. So PQ square, calculate the PQ square. How much we get PQ square? PQ square is nothing but under root of 6 minus 1 whole square, 7 minus 2 whole square and 7 minus 3 whole square. PQ square. So PQ square, you calculate it. Once you calculate the PQ square, so what we require the perpendicular distance PM. Okay, this will give you 66. This will give you 66. So basically we require the projection of it. Okay, so direction cosines of this line is given as, DRs are given as 3, 2 and minus 2. 3, 2 and minus 2 are the DRs of the given line is given to you. So what are the DCs then? Direction cosine will be 3 by under root of 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 power 4 is 17. 2 by root 17 minus 2 by root 17. So these are the direction cosines. So direction cosines of the line is given to you. Now QR. So QR we have to calculate. So we have to calculate the QR. QR is nothing but 3 by root 17, the projection, the cos value, 3 by root 17 into 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, this is the DR's difference. QR is nothing but 6 minus 1 into 3 by root 17. Similarly, 7 minus 1 into 2 by root 17 plus 7 minus 3 into 2 by root 17. This is the value of QR. Actually R cos theta as we say, this is the R, okay, cos theta we are calculating it. So DRs into the distance between them, x2 minus x1, okay, that is the QR. So but what we require is, we require PR square. So PR square is equal to PQ square minus QR square. Okay, if you simplify it, you get a required answer. Option C will come 7. Okay, so DC, this is PQ. So just imagine that PQ, the component of means horizontal component of PQ is nothing but direction cosines into x2 minus x1. Direction cosines into x2 minus x1 will give you the horizontal component. So once you got the QR, you know the PQ, you can calculate the PR. So PR square is PQ square minus QR square, which is equal to 7, you will get it. Okay, so QR is equal to 7. Actually it will come 49 under root, you will get as 7. So answer is 7. Okay, so I'll repeat once again. P you know, Q you know, any point on the line, you will find PQ square. So PQ square, PQ is equal to 66, you will get it. Okay, so you will get this as 25 plus 25 plus 16, this will give you nothing but 66. PQ square is 66, you will get it. Okay, once you get PQ, not square. Okay, sorry, this one let me cross check it is correct or not. This will give you 25 plus 25 plus this is nothing but 7 minus 3 is 4 4s are 16. So we get how much? 66. Root 66 you'll get it. Root 66 is PQ. So PQ square is equal to 66. PQ square is equal to 66. So PQ square 66. Similarly, QR square you have to calculate it. Okay. So projection of PQ on the line is nothing but the QR that we calculated. Projection formula is x2 minus x1 into dr, corresponding dr direction cosine, y2 minus y1 into the corresponding direction cosine, z2 minus z1 into corresponding direction cosine is the projection of PQ on the line, which is equal to QR. Sorry. Line makes an equal angle with coordinate axis. Direction cosines will be L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So what is the formula we studied? L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. All are equal. So 3L square is equal to 1. L square is equal to 1 by 3. L equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. Sorry for inconvenience. 32. Simple standard result. Probability of choosing a number divisible by 6 and 8 between 1 to 90. So you have to select and is given. Number must be divisible by 6 and 8. 6 8s, if you have to take the LCM, 6 and 8, LCM will be how much? 24. LCM will be 24. So only 3 numbers will be there which are divisible by both 6 and 8. 24 is there. 6 means it is divisible by 6 also, divisible by 3 also. 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24. So 24. So multiples of 24, 24, then 48 will come. Then again 3. Only 3 numbers are there which is divisible. So answer will be 3 by 90, which is equal to 1 by 30, option C. Only 3 numbers will be there which are divisible by 6 and 8. Option C is correct. Next one. Probability X speaks truth is 4 by 5. Coin is tossed. Reports that head appears. The probability that actually there was a head. So truth speaks truth. P of A. T I write, which is equal to 4 by 5. P A false will be how much? 1 by 5. Correct? The probability of truth happens. So E is an event that coin with the head. What is E? E is an event coin with the head. Event coin with the tail. 2 possibilities are there. Coin is tossed. Either it will be head or it will be tail. Only 2 possibilities are there. Now, so event of head or a tail will be how much probability? 1 by 2. Head or a tail is probability event. So event A reports a head. Okay, tail came. That is also one possibility is there. And reports head and head only came. Only 2 possibilities will come. So what happens now? We have to calculate head comes and A speaks truth. P of A by E. Head came and he spoke the truth. 4 by 5. Okay. Next is tail comes and A speaks lie. Tail comes and he speaks lie. Tail comes and he speaks lie. A. So this will be 1 by 5 because truth is 4 by 5, lie 1 by 5. So required probability is E by A. Required probability is E by A. Means it came head came is speaking the truth as a head. So this will nothing but 4 by 5. This will P of A by E is nothing but P of A by E into P of A into P of E, event divided by both the possibilities, tail as a head. So P of A by E into P of E plus P of A by F into P of E. P of E into P of E. So if you substitute P of means false here. Okay, tail or a head. So head or a tail, P of E is 1 by 2, P of F is also 1 by 2. If you simplify, you get your required answer. Substitute those values and you get answer as 4 by 5. You get an answer 4 by 5. So this is coin is tossed, head came. Coin is tossed, tail came. Clear? So this is head or a tail, probability is only 1 by 2. Okay? And the favorable case is coin is tossed, you got the truth, which he speaks the truth that coin is tossed and he got a head. That is the probability that actually there was a head and head also came. So only two possibilities are there. So tail came and he means he says it is the head. Clear? So coin is tossed, the reports that head appears and speaks 4 by 5 is speaks the truth. And 1 by 5 is the probabilities speaking lie. So A and B are two events, P of A is given, P of B is given, P of A by B, P of A by B. So simple formula based, P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by, what is the formula? P of A intersection B by, this will P of A is given, P of B is given, P of A by B is nothing but intersection of P of B, sorry, probability of B. Clear? P of A B is P of A intersection B by P of B. That is the formula. So we know A intersection we don't know, P of A we know, P of B know. But according to the rule, so P of A intersection B is P of A by B, P of A intersection B, P of, so what is P of A intersection B now? P of A intersection B is equal to P of A by B into P of B. Clear? So we know only P of A by B also known. What is this one? Half. And P of B is given as 2 by 10. So this will give you 1 by 10. I'll do little slowly. P of A by B. Correct? 1 by 10 we got it. But what we require? P A bar by B bar is nothing but P of A bar intersection B bar upon P of B bar. What is P of A and P of this one? This is nothing but 1 minus P of A union B by, what is P of B or 1 minus P of B. So you studied De Morgan's law, A dash intersection B dash or A complement intersection B complement is A union B whole complement. There's nothing but A union B whole complement. 1 minus A union B whole complement. So what is A union B whole complement? So this is the pose. Two sets I take it. This is A, this is B. Okay, this completely A union B. Complement will be how much? 1 minus A union B. So 1 minus A union B. So complement of A union 1 minus A union B. Okay, so this is B A complement is A union B complement. So this probability, I forgot one thing. Sorry for that. I wrote directly. So this is nothing but P of A union B whole complement, which is in turn 1 of P of A union B by 1 minus P of B. Correct? But what is P of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So nothing but this can be again written as 1 minus P of A minus P of B plus P of A intersection B by A intersection B 1 minus P of B. Clear? I repeat once again, P A bar by B bar is nothing but P of A complement. A complement intersection B complement is nothing but P of A union B complement. De Morgan's law. So P of A union B complement is 1 minus P of A union B. Okay, by 1 minus P of B. So what is A union B? A union B is nothing but P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Substitute the values. You will get the answer as option C, 3 by 8. I repeat once again, P of A by B is P of A intersection B by P of B. From this we got P of A intersection B value as 1 by 10, and that we will use here. And P of A complement by B complement is A complement intersection B complement by P of B complement, P of A union B complement, which is 1 minus P of A union B by 1 minus P of B. So please remember this formula. I will draw a curly bracket, and this also you can remember. This also is a formula. If you remember directly the formula, it will save lot of time. So calculation 3 by 8 will come. 36 is very simple. P of A is given, P of B is given, P of B by A. So what is P of B by A? P B by A is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. Clear? P of B is given as 6 by 10 into P of A is given as 4 by 10 will give you P of A intersection B. Okay, what is P of A union B? P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, P of A is how much? 4 by 10. P of B is equal to 8 by 10. P of A intersection B is nothing but 24 by 100. This is 40. 40 plus 80 is 120. 120 minus 24. 120 minus 24. You have 120 minus 24 will be 0.96. Option D is correct. Okay, 36. Option D is correct. Okay, so P of B by A is P of A intersection B by P of A. So that you calculate P of A intersection B, that we use in this formula. Angle between the lines whose dias are given cos theta. Angle between the lines is nothing but first you calculate the direction cosines. Then what is the formula? Cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. That will give the cos theta. So what are the drs? This will give you nothing but root 3 by 4 by under root of, this is nothing but 3 by 16 plus 1 by 16 plus 3 by 4. Okay, into, similarly this is root 3 by 4 under root of 3 by 16 plus 1 by 16 into 3 by 4. So this is nothing but this is a 4. 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 by 16 will give you 1. This is also 1. So straight away you get root 3 by 4. Let me check. Values are given correct. Yes, 3 by 4 values are given correct only. 3 by 4. When you get this values, okay, so you will get this cos theta root 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4. Similarly, plus this value is same. Similarly, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Same values. Blah blah plus. This is equal to root 3 by 2 into minus root 3 by 2. The same values, which is equal to 1. So final answer will be cos theta is equal to 3 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 by 4. So this can be written as 4 by 16 minus 12 by 16. 4 by 16 minus 12 by 16. Okay. So 3 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 by 4. This will give you minus 12 by 16. This is equal to minus 8 by 16. Because we take the modulus, this is equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. It means theta is equal to pi by 3. Cos theta is equal to pi by 3. Clear? So please write down. Equation of line passes through 2 minus 1 and parallel to this line. Equation of line passes through this one. It means clearly x minus 2 by 4 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 3 is equal to z minus 1 by 5. DRs will be same and passes towards the line equation. X minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So DRs will be 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 and 5, 4 minus 3 and 5 passes through 2 plus 1 and option A is correct. Okay, it's a very simple question. They ask this question frequently, which is one line. So option A is correct. 39. What are the DRs of vector plane? So DRs will be how much? x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus zn will be the DRs. So what we write? 3 minus 2, 4 minus minus plus 1 and minus 1 minus 1. So DRs will be 1, comma 5, comma minus 2. 1, comma 5, comma minus 2. Option E is correct. Okay, simple question, finding the DRs. Okay, simplest form. So before we proceed, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta will be 2 cos square 2 theta. This is the concept. Okay, apply the same concept. If we take this bracket, this becomes what? 2 common, 1 plus cos 4 theta. So this will become 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta. You are taking the root. So this becomes 2 cos square 2 theta. Again you are adding 2. So 2 plus 2 cos square 2 theta. Okay. So what happens? This 2 is taken common. 1 plus cos square 2 theta. Okay. Sorry, if you are taking the root, this will become how much? 2 cos 2 theta. This becomes 2 cos 2 theta. 2 cos 2 theta. Okay. This becomes 2 cos 2 theta. So again you take 2 common. 2 common. What happens? 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but you get this will give you 4 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta. So this will give you cos 2 theta. Okay, 2 cos 2 theta. Again 2 cos theta will becomes as cos square theta. So 4 cos square theta. Again you are taking the root. So becomes 2 by under root of, finally you get 2 plus 2 cos theta. 2 plus 2 cos theta. So again what happens? This will give you 2 common, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Sorry, 1 plus cos theta is again 2 cos square theta by 2. So finally we get 2 by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. Finally we get secant theta by 2. I wrote theta. It is x. Suppose you can change into question as theta. All thetas if you change, doesn't matter. So our answer is secant theta by 2. Option is correct. So I repeat once again. This will give you cos square 2 theta. This will give you cos theta. This will give you cos theta by 2. Basic formula is 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta is 2 cos square 2 theta. Sine of 2 tan inverse x. It is like sine 2 theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. So tan theta is equal to x. Take a triangle. This is x, this is 1. This will be under root of 1 plus x square. Thus 2 sin theta will be x by root 1 plus x square. And cos theta will be 1 by under root of 1 plus x square. So finally we get 2x by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square, option D. Okay, x equal to tan theta. So what we get? Cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus tan inverse tan theta. This will give you cos inverse cos 2 theta plus theta. So 2 theta plus theta will give you 3 theta. 3 theta is equal to pi by 2. So this implies theta is equal to pi by 6. Theta is equal to pi by 6. So what we substitute? Tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. Option C is correct. Okay. So many times we use 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, whenever is written, you take x is equal to tan theta. See, sine inverse x. Sine inverse x, okay, x always lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So maximum value is pi by 2. Pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. When you get pi by 2, then x equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 1. Substitute that there. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 within the bracket minus 1 by 1. So we'll get how much? 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Option C is correct. So sine inverse x lies between minus pi to plus pi by 2. Okay. And sine inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2 will give you 3 pi by 2. So therefore, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z is equal to 1. Option, let me check, option is correct and option C is correct. Distance between the two lines. What's the formula when the parallel lines are given? Modulus C2 minus C1 by root a square plus b square. Same concept is applied here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 9. 3x plus 4y is equal to 15 by 2. So what's the answer? D is equal to 15 by 2 minus 9 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square. So 9 2s are 18, means 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2 into 1 by 5 modulus. So we get 3 by 10. Option B is correct. Equation of line through 1 comma 1 making 45 degrees with line x plus y is equal to. This is x plus y is equal to 0 means this is the line. Okay. This angle is already 45 degrees. There is another line which is making 45 degrees with this one. There is a line which is making 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Clear? And this line is passing through 1 comma 1. He is saying these equations of lines through 1 comma 1 and this one. A line is there which is passing through 1 comma 1 and 45 degrees. X-axis is also 45, y-axis is also 45. Okay. So if I draw any line x equal to 1 here. So this angle is 45. Okay. So there is another line I draw. This point is 1 comma 1 I write. Okay. So this 1 comma 1 is the line passes through 1 comma 1. So this is the line 1 comma 1. Okay. This also making 45 degrees with this line. I take another line. This is also making 45 degrees. So which option is correct? X minus 1 is equal to 0 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, y minus 1 is equal to 0. So option D is correct. Diagrammatically I showed you, this is a line which is making 45 degrees. Line is passes through 1 comma 1. This is the one line which is 45 degrees because this is 45, this is 45, this is 90. Okay, and this is 45, this is 90, obviously this angle will be 45. X equal to, this is y is equal to 1 and this is x equal to 1. Line passes through 1 comma 1. Conjugate of a point, what to be E is this one. So z is a complex number, x plus iy. Z bar is the conjugate, x minus iy. That's the conjugate of a complex number. We take conjugate, x minus iy into 1 plus 2i is given as 1 plus I. Okay, we have taken the conjugate of this means bar. Okay, so you multiply, real part will be x and this will be I square is plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to 1. That's the real part. So what is the imaginary part? Imaginary part will be, this will give you minus iy and this is 2ix is equal to 1 I. So what we get now? 2x minus y is equal to 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1. So we got two equations. X plus 2y is equal to 1 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. We multiply by 2 and add it. So what we get here? X plus 5x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 5. Somewhere I did mistake. 4x, 4 plus 5x. The conjugate of a complex number. Okay, again you have to solve. The answers are given in that form. We have to solve that one. X is equal to how much? 3 by 5. And we got x equal to 3 by 5. You substitute here. 3 by 5 plus 2y is equal to 1. So 2y is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5. This is 2y is equal to 2 by 5. It means y is equal to 1 by 5. Y is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. So if you check this one, option B, if you check, you rationalize it. What we get the rationalization of this one? If we rationalize it, we get, I am writing here, 1 minus I into 1 plus 2i divided by 5. Because a square plus b square 5. So we get real part is 1 plus 2, 3 by 5 is correct. Option B is correct. Okay, if you multiply 1 into 1 and this will give you minus plus 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So you get 3 by 5 the real part. Imaginary part is minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 5. So they are given in written on form x plus iy is equal to 1 minus I by. Actually they should not write like this. They write capital X plus I capital Y, which is a conjugate of a complex number. So x value is 3 by 5, y value is 1 by 5. So resultant answer is 3 by 5 plus I times 1 by 5, which matches with option B. Okay, conjugate of a complex number z is equal to x plus iy means z bar is equal to x minus iy. Value, simple you have to calculate modulus. Okay, z is equal to x plus iy. So mod z is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Okay, that's the concept. So if we take this, simplify this complex numbers, this is nothing but 1 plus I root 3 divided by, this is nothing but 1 plus I means I plus 2 whole square into 1 plus I whole square. Correct? So when it is so many complex numbers are given, z1, z2, z3 modulus is nothing but mod of z1, mod of z2, mod of z3. Can take individually model. So what happens, this modulus will be under root of 3 plus 1 is 4. This is under root of 2 whole square and this will be under root of 4 plus 1, 5 whole square. Okay, so finally we get answer as this will mod z will give the value of mod z will give you how much? 2 into 2 by 5, 4 by 5. 4 by 5, option D is correct. Okay, so this is the concept. I curly bracket I will put it. This is the concepts. Okay, z is equal to x plus iy, mod z is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Sum of coefficients, very simple. If any binomial is there, this will be c0 plus c1x plus c2x square, blah 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 blah, you will get it. This is equal to 1 plus x minus 3 x square 3148. Sum of coefficients, put x equal to 1, both sides. So we get 1 plus 1 minus 3 to the power 3148. We get C0 plus C1 plus C2. We get sum of the coefficients, which is equal to minus 1 to the power 3148. So it's an even number. Option C is correct. 49. The number of terms in a plus b plus c to the power 10. Direct formula is there. This is nothing but n plus 2 by r minus 1. This is n plus 2 c r minus 1. This will give you 12 c2 because 3 terms are a plus b plus c. So 3 minus 2 will give you 12 c2. 12 c2 is the answer. 12 c2 comes out to be 66. Option D is correct. How many number of 6 digits are formed using the digits 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So 6 digit number is there. 1 is repeated 2 times. 2 is also repeated 2 times. 3 also repeated 3 times. So what you have to do in this case is when 6 digits you have to form it. So the numbers 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 6 digits numbers can be formed by 6 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Why? Because 1 is repeated 2 times, 2 also repeated 2 times, 3 also repeated 2 times, and this comes out to be 90. Option C. How many different words be formed by jumbling the letter Mississippi in no two S are adjacent to it? No two S are adjacent to it. Okay. So how many I's are there? There are 4 I's are there. And how many S are there? S also 4 is there. I is 4. S is equal to 4. And how many P's are there? P equal to 2. And M is equal to 1. These are the number of digits given to you. Okay. So what they are saying that, so S, what's the condition given? No two S are adjacent to it. Okay. M, there is a gap, you give it, gap I, and next gap I. Okay. So I you have given the gap. Okay. Then P, gap P. Okay. So gap P is also given. Again gap P. Because 2 P's are given. We write like this. So S can be placed. How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 places where you can place the S. Okay. So required. So what happens? There are 7 places you can put it. Oh, sorry. I forgot here. There are 8 places you can put S. So 8 C4. How many S are given to you? There are 4 S are there. 8 C4. Okay. There are 8 places to place the S. So 8 C4 is that one. Into 7 factorial. Total letters are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. 7 factorial. Why we are writing 7 factorial by 4 factorial? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7. So 7 factorial are there because repetition is there. So distinct letters are 7 factorials. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial and 2 factorial. Why? Because 4 I's are there, 2 P's are there. That is the arrangement. Okay. So if you calculate it, you get your required answer. So answer comes out to be option A. 8C4, 6C4 into 7. Clear? I repeat once again, S should not be adjacent to each other. So we write like this. So there are 8 places to place the S. So that's why 8C4 comes. How many are there left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. But repetitions are there, 4 I's and 2 P's repetition is there. What's the value of X? The number minus 1, X minus 3 by 4 in GP. When 3 terms are in GP, A, B, C, what we know, B square is equal to AC. So we get X square is equal to minus 1, into minus 3 by 4, we get x square is equal to 3 by 4, x equal to root 3 by 2. Option C. A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. That's a condition for GP. What is the geometric mean? Arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. Geometric mean is root AB. Okay, this is arithmetic mean and this is geometric mean. Correct? So how many number of terms are there? 2 terms are there. If 3 terms will be there, A, B, C to the power 1 by 3. So how many terms are there? There are n terms are there. 7, 7 square, 7 cube, 7 to the power n to the power 1 by n. So this is 7, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n whole to the power 1 by n. So this is 7 n into n plus 1 by 2 whole to the power 1 by n. N and will cancel, 7 to the power n plus 1 by 2. Option A. 54. The lines this and this are the diameter of a circle of area. This is a circle given. These are the 2 diameters. From the point of intersection of diameter, you get the center. Area is given to you. Okay, so these are the 2 diameters. What is area? Pi r square is equal to 154. Pi r square is equal to 154. So the equation of lines are the diameters. From the diameter, you get the center. Point of intersection, you get the center. From pi r square 154, you get this one. This is r square is equal to 154 by pi. You get the radius from this. Because diameter of circles area is 154 square units. You get the r value from this. Okay, r value will get it and the center value will get it. Solve the r value and center value. Then you can write this as x minus center value, suppose a whole square, y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Okay. So you solve it. I think you will get the answer. So area pi r square is equal to 154, radius is equal to 4, r is equal to 7, you get it. R is equal to 7. Okay. So pi you take it as 22 by 7. This is 154 by 22 by 7. You get r is equal to 7. Once you get r is equal to 7, you know the center. Center comes out to 1 comma minus 1. So this will give you x minus 1 whole square, y plus 1 whole square. So 7 7 is 49. See the miscellaneous. Okay. 1 satisfies. 1 and minus 1 satisfies. Equation represents ellipse. When we represent ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Eccentricity is less than 1, more than 0. Okay. So this can be written as x square by 2 minus lambda plus y square by 5 minus lambda is equal to 1. Clear? So x square by 2 minus lambda plus y square by 5 minus lambda is equal to 1. So this is the value of a square and this is the value of b square. Both are positive. So 2 minus lambda is greater than 0. So 2 is greater than lambda. 2 minus lambda, 5 minus lambda. Okay, from this we get it how much? This will give you 5 minus lambda is greater than 0, 5 is greater than lambda, or lambda is less than 5. Lambda is less than 5 is the correct answer. Okay, so which option will come? So 2 is, lambda is less than 2 and lambda is, so option B will come. Option B. 1 minute. 2 is greater than lambda. 2 minus lambda. 2 minus lambda is greater than 0 and minus this is correct. So you get 2 is greater than lambda or lambda is less than 2. Lambda is less than 2. This will give you lambda is less than 2. So C option can't be correct. Option B must be correct. Option lambda is less than 2 is correct. C option is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Lambda is less than 2. Take any value lambda less than equal to 2. Suppose you take 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. 5 minus 1. Okay. 5 minus 1 is 4. Possible. Even if you take lambda is equal to negative, suppose minus 4. X square by 6. Y square by 9. Possible. Okay. So lambda is less than equal to 2. So please remember, this can't be negative. This can't be negative. So lambda is less than 2 is correct. Option B is correct. Eccentricity. What is the formula of eccentricity? Eccentricity of hyperbola will be E is equal to under root of a square plus b square by a square. In the case of ellipse, a square minus b square by a square. So in this case, what happens? This will give you 16 plus 25 by 16. So this will give you how much? Root 41 by 4. Root 41 by 4. Let me check. Root 41 by 4. Option C is correct. Standard deviation of this observation is root 10. Standard deviation of this observation will be how much? Okay. So whenever standard deviation, what happens? The new observations are obtained by adding 20 to each. So does not change. The standard deviation does not change if you multiply. Means what is happening? 15, 16. If you add 20 to each and every term, minus 5 plus 20 is 15. Minus 4 plus 20 is 16. Like that. Okay. So if you add 20 to it, you are getting 25. If you add something to each and every observations, so what happens? Standard deviation never change. Option C is correct. Please remember that if any of given observations, if you add a constant term, standard deviation won't change. The maximum value of this one, you know that a cos x plus b sin x can be written as a by root a square plus b square cos x plus b by root a square plus b square sin x, okay, into root a square plus b square. So this can be written as sin of x plus alpha into root a square plus b square. So sin x plus alpha lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So what happens? This will lie between minus root a square plus b square to root a square plus b square. That is the formula I derived it. So this is 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 16 5. So you'll get 5 lies between. My maximum value they are asking 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is the maximum value. Okay, this maximum value is 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay, they have not given that answer. The maximal f of x lies between 0 to 10. Maximum value is 10. Option D. Okay. Solve the inequality. 3x is greater than minus 18 or x is greater than minus 6. 2x is less than equal to 14. X is less than equal to 7. So wherever the 7 is closed and the 6 is open, option A. 7 is closed, option A. Simple limit extending to 1, x to the power m minus 1 by x minus 1 divided by x to the power n minus 1 by x minus 1. This is the standard limit. Limit extending to a, x to the power m minus a to the power m by x minus a is equal to m, x to the power m minus 1. Clear? Using that standard limit, this will become m by n. M by n. Option B. Okay, we completed all 60 problems. Please go through all the concepts as I wrote the concept of a cos x plus b sin x. Same way, do write all the concepts one day before. You can recite these concepts. You will save a lot of time. Have a nice day. Be happy and write the competitive examination with full spirit and carefully read the question, all the conditions and do it. You all can rock. All the best. Bye. Take care.